Number 16, have an idea. It means to think of a plan or concept.
I have an idea for our group project. I have an idea for our group project. She suddenly had an idea during the meeting. She suddenly had an idea during the meeting. They always have great ideas for solving problems. They always have great ideas for solving problems.
Number 17, have an influence. It means to have the power to affect people or things.
Good teachers have an influence on their students. Good teachers have an influence on their students. He had a big influence on my music taste. He had a big influence on my music taste. Advertisements have an influence on what we buy. Advertisements have an influence on what we buy.
Number 18, have control over. It means to have the power to direct or manage something or someone.
You have control over your own decisions. You have control over your own decisions. She has control over the company's finances. She has control over the company's finances. They have control over the project's direction. They have control over the project's direction.
Number 19, have difficulty in. It means to find something hard to do.
I have difficulty waking up early for class. I have difficulty waking up early for class. She has difficulty in understanding the instructions. She has difficulty in understanding the instructions. They have difficulty speaking English fluently. They have difficulty speaking English fluently.
Number 20, have doubts about. It means to be uncertain or skeptical about something.
He had doubts about the success of the plan. He had doubts about the success of the plan. We have doubts about moving to a new city. We have doubts about moving to a new city. She has doubts about the truth of the story. She has doubts about the truth of the story.